In a world where road trips and remote living are becoming more than just occasional escapes, Toyota is stepping up in a way that blends innovation, reliability, and comfort like never before. The 2025 Toyota RV Motorhome is here, and it's not just a vehicle, it's a statement for those who dream of the open road without sacrificing modern convenience. If you've ever thought about hitting the road long-term or just want a seriously upgraded weekend getaway, Toyota's latest offering might just be the motorhome that changes the game. At first glance, the exterior tells you everything you need to know about Toyota's design language in 2025. It's bold, clean, and surprisingly sleek for a motorhome. Gone are the days of boxy, outdated RV shapes. The new Toyota RV Motorhome features streamlined aerodynamics, LED light bars that flow seamlessly into its curvaceous body panels, and a front fascia that takes clear inspiration from Toyota's SUV lineup, particularly the Land Cruiser and Sequoia. You get that same strong, dependable presence, now scaled to an RV that's built for both luxury and utility. Under the hood, or rather, under the chassis, things get even more interesting. Toyota has opted for a hybrid powertrain for the 2025 RV Motorhome, making it not only more fuel-efficient but also quieter and more eco-friendly. It's powered by a 3.5-liter V6 hybrid system, similar to what we've seen in the Highlander hybrid, but beefed up with more torque and tuned specifically for heavy-duty cruising. You'll also have the option to switch into EV-only mode for short-range silent travel in campsites or cities, making this one of the most versatile RVs on the market. Paired with a smooth-shifting eCVT transmission and all-wheel drive capability, it handles far better than you'd expect from something this size. Toyota's chassis engineers have gone to great lengths to ensure that this isn't just a lumbering road beast. It's comfortable, composed, and even surprisingly agile in tighter corners. Whether you're heading up mountain roads or weaving through urban traffic, the drive feels assured, almost like piloting a full-sized SUV. But the real magic of the 2025 Toyota RV Motorhome begins when you step inside. The moment you slide open the automatic side door, you're greeted by a living space that redefines what RV interiors can be. Imagine the craftsmanship of a luxury yacht, blended with the smart technology of a high-end condo. That's what Toyota is delivering here. Every surface, every switch, every stitch in the upholstery has been designed with intention. You'll find a full kitchenette with induction cooking surfaces, a whisper-quiet refrigerator, and modular storage that adapts based on how long you plan to stay on the road.